Kani kadiga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki Jingbud kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Hakani ke jela Meghalaya, ke Rakhe ya ke sengilai lo jong kari India, haka khatsan terek mentau nailar, arajar arpo, kalalong hakaleng ke distrik jong ke jela. Sakawai ke baka Batisi TV kalayo bansaki, kaderu ke bala pelong hari Bhoi distrik, ya ke bala pelong ha Circuit House Nongpo. Hakani ke Rakhe, ke Deputy Commissioner jong kani ke distrik, ke kong RM Korba kalalong ke kongsan. Ke belasdang hakaju korkom kumbalong syikiwai pat ke distrik, dah ke bakentiu ningkong ya kalama lairong jong kari. Hadian kenepat kelasyam sayaka Rashtriya Salute naki artli kiken hon ki baparen kata kiken hon jong ke 6 Meghalaya Police Battalion Umran. Hakani ke Rakhe hakani ke sengi laidan rengkat ru UMLA jong ke Nongpo constituency uba Merrill Bonds AM USP ke Bhoi district uba Nazareth Lamare kentopru yeki wedi ki officer sarkar.
On the directive of the central government to ensure food availability to the poor and needy citizens, migrant workers and citizens outside the public distribution system. The Labour Department is modernizing, upgrading and setting up new industrial training institutes, while transforming the existing institute under Asian Development Bank assisted project supporting human capital development. The ADB assisted project, which was taken up in the year 2014-15 with construction of labs and classrooms under the civil works in 8 ITIs, has almost been completed. In addition, the state is in a process of setting up fully residential co-educational schools in the rural areas through the Eklavya Model Residential Schools, and the society entrusted to manage and operate the schools has been registered. Despite the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic situation, developmental activities continues to be implemented by various government departments. The Agriculture Department provides 50% subsidy assistance on vegetable seeds and fruit plant samplings to small and marginal farmers. The department is also working on a strategy to revive the orchards of the citrus, especially Khasi Mandarin farmers, who are assisted with integrated package of practice through supply of quality planting materials and plant protection measures. Taking advantage of the space created due to the expansion of road, the department has constructed lay-by markets at some of the important junctions along the highway accessible to the passerby and tourists. 2 numbers lay-by markets of Ringsai, Bhoi district and Dengpaso in East Khasi Hills district.
I don't know what's good or bad, all we gotta do, play a song of freedom. I don't know what's in your mind, and I don't know what's in your heart, all we gotta do, play the song of freedom. Hey, play it one more time, song of freedom. Hey, make your move and shine, song of freedom. Hey, together united we stand, song of freedom. Don't worry about left or right, everything's gonna be alright. Just come along, play the song of freedom. Life is short, it's good as bad, take it easy, don't make it hard. Just come along, play the song of freedom. Hey, play it one more time, song of freedom. Hey, make your move and shine, song of freedom. Hey, together united we stand, song of freedom. We yo yo, we yo yo yo. All we gotta do, play the song of freedom. Yo yo, yo yo yo. All we gotta do, play the song of freedom.
I stay in Umning. Without further ado, I would like to express my view on self-reliant India. Not long ago, self-reliant India was a vision of Mahatma Gandhi as Swadeshi movement, which is now being uplifted by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi as Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan or self-reliant India. I truly believe that a country can become self-reliant by focusing on three main sectors, which is agriculture, energy and human resource, and everything else will prosper, such as digital India or Make in India if we are self-reliant on the above, as India is already blessed with human resource. We must not be the manufacturers, instead we must be the designers and providers for the world, or else we will soon be the next China with toxic levels of pollution and exploitation of resources. India needs to invest most of its GDP on education and research, as we need highly skilled and trained professionals to bring innovation. In fact, I think the biggest contributor to our GDP should be agriculture and energy in order to afford renewable energy. Although the software industry has high profit margin, but it does not contribute much to our GDP. We know that India has many MNCs and ITs, but most of the software design and implementation is done abroad. Most MNC invest in India as the human resource is cheap here. We can survive without mobile phones and internet, but we cannot stay without the electricity and the fuel to drive the economy. Last but not the least, I would like to highlight that India needs to focus more on its internal disputes and disaster, as it takes a toll to the economy. Atmanirbhar Bharat can only be possible if we will have a thriving economy with a balanced ecology. Thank you.
Sapphire